Strengthening Faith 47. I had a thought which I wanted to share. There are many Muslims who desire lawful things, such as a child, and instead of being content with what Allah, the Exalted, chose for them, they instead pursue their desires in lawful ways, such as spiritual exercises, based on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which is obviously permissible in Islam. Yet, after all this effort and stress, they do not understand nor act on a simple but profound teaching of Islam, which would aid them in their quest. In fact, they often act in certain ways which only reduces the chances of their request being fulfilled. For example, a Muslim does not need to be a scholar to understand that it is less likely for a Muslim to obtain what they desire if the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, is removed from them. For example, this can occur when one lies in order to make others laugh. In fact, this person has been cursed 3 times in one narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2315. A curse results in the removal of the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. Some of these Muslims who desperately desire things from Allah, the Exalted, also backbite and slander others. This also leads to the removal of the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 104 Al-Humazah, verse 1.
Woe to every slanderer and backbiter.
There are many other examples which lead to the removal of the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, which in turn dramatically reduces the chances of one's request being fulfilled. Muslims should therefore act on this important principle by seeking and acting on knowledge before seeking other means such as spiritual exercises, in order to fulfill their lawful desires, as these things will not aid them in fulfilling their requests until they correct their behavior. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.